Hello students, how are you all? Enjoying? Yeah, I'm back, your EVS teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Full. So in last lecture, what we have discussed? In last lecture, we have completed our chapter number 3. Okay? So today, what we are going to do? We are going to start our new chapter. Chapter number 4. It's time to relax. It's time to relax, right? So by studying 3 chapters, we are now tired. Alright? So today we are going to relax. Okay, how we can relax? By playing games. So today we will play games and we will know about some of the games around us. Okay? So here you can see these two given images. And can you identify what game it is? Have you ever played these games? You have to write about it, okay? What are these games and have you ever played these games or not? This you have to write in your notebooks, alright? Next, let's start. We need enjoyment and fun to keep ourselves fresh and lively. Okay, as we need enjoyment in our life because we get tired with regular routines. Okay, by studying, by doing some household work, we are tired now. So now we need some enjoyment. We want to enjoy and we want fun to keep us fresh and lively. Okay, doing something to relax and have fun is called recreation. So whatever we are doing to keep us relaxed and having fun, that thing is known as recreation. Recreational activities such as games, family outings, vacations help us in relaxing our body and mind. Okay, so recreational activities, we have understood about recreation. Now what are the activities we are doing for relaxing our body and mind that are recreation, right? And recreational activities such as games, family outings, vacations we have now, winter vacations, summer vacations, or sometimes we go out for holidays with our family, so that is also vacation, and that helps us in relaxing our body and mind. Okay, by recreational activities we can relax our body and mind. Okay, we can be fresh, we can feel fresh, we will feel fresh if we have some recreational activities. Playing games keeps us fit, active and fresh. When the playing games is your regular activity, regular habit, then it keeps you fit, active and fresh. Okay, you will feel fit, active and fresh. You will be fit and healthy forever if you play games, if you are having physical exercises, because while playing games we have physical exercises, we have physical work. People sometimes visit new places to take a break from their daily work. So people sometimes, what recreational activities they do? They visit they visit new places, different places to take a break from daily work. Okay, so what some people do? They visit new places, okay, to take a break from daily work, to have a good time with family or have a good time with themselves only. All right, so recreational activity can be a holiday also. You can go out with your family, but not now, it's COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Next, visiting new places gives us knowledge about the places, people, and their ways of living. See, when we visit new places, right, we see new people, we can make new friends, okay, and we can see that how they are living, what they are eating, what they are doing regularly in their daily work. So we can learn many things from them. All right, so by visiting new places we can get knowledge about the different places, about the people living there, and how they are living, what are their ways of living, that we can learn by visiting new places. Family get togethers, family functions, and festivals help people in bonding with relatives. When you go with family in some family function, in family get togethers, or sometimes when you meet the other members of your family at the time of festivals, that increase your bonding with your relatives. okay, आपकी bonding बहुत strong होती है और आपके relations और strong होते हैं. Your relations will get strong when you meet them and when you enjoy with them. okay, when you spend your some time with them, they will be happy and you also feel happy, right? Next, playing in the neighborhood. Now when you play in the neighborhood, so what is the benefit of it, right? There must be some friends of yours in your neighborhood and you play with them. So what is written here? Hi, I am Swami. Like all children, I love to play with my friends. So what he is saying, that this boy is saying, that I am Swami. What this boy is saying, that I am Swami. The name of this boy is Swami. And what he is saying, that I love to play with my friends. You also have your friends and you love to play with your friends. Similarly, Swami also like to play with his friends. I play outdoor games such as cricket, football, hide and seek, hopscotch, and seven tiles. Okay, these are some games which you can play outdoors, right? Outdoor games means जो आप बाहर जाके play that you play outside your houses. okay, that are outdoor games. And what are the names written here? What are the games Swami like? Cricket, football, hide seek, hopscotch, seven tiles, or maybe some other outdoor games you know and you love to play, right? I also play Pittu and Gilli Danda. There are some other games also. Pittu and Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is somewhat like cricket only, alright. These games were very popular in grandparents. So Pittu and Gilli Danda Pittu and Gilli Danda are very old games. Okay, these are the games of grandparents' time. They were very popular at the time of grandparents. Okay, who is saying this? Swami is saying this. I also like to fly kites. Now what Swami is saying? That other than outdoor games, I like to fly kites. You also like to fly kites? I love playing indoor games as well. So what now Swami is saying? Like outdoor games, I also like indoor games. Now outdoor games were the games you can play outside your house, and indoor games, the games you can play inside your house with your friends or with your family members. Okay, so Swami like both type of games. I play table tennis, chess, carom, ludo, computer and video games. Okay, so these are the indoor games which Swami play or Swami like. What are they? Table tennis, chess, carom, ludo, computer and video games. And I hope you also like all these games. I also play with my toy cars and tops. So you must also have some toy cars. Okay, everyone like toy cars and tops. So Swami like to play with toy cars and tops also. Okay, see here in this picture, Swami is playing chess with his friend, right? So this is all about Swami. Swami like to play outdoor games. He like to fly kites. He like indoor games, and he like to play with his toy cars and tops also. All right. So hope you all have understood each and everything about Swami. Next, indoor games are good for relaxation. See, indoor games are what? You can sit and play. So they are good for relaxation. You feel relaxed because there is no physical activity in that. However, it is very important to play outdoor games as these are a good form of exercise. So you must play outdoor games. It is very necessary because in outdoor games you have physical exercise and that is very important for you. Okay, so outdoor games is a good form of exercise. By playing with your friends outside your house, you will have physical exercise. Okay, so that is good for you, and you will be healthy if you are playing outside or you are having some physical exercise. Playing together helps us to make friends and develop team spirit and leadership qualities. See, playing together, when you play with your friends, that helps us to make friends. You can become more strong, you can develop more strong friendship. Okay, अब और भी बहुत अच्छे friends बन सकते हो. और what you can do is you can make some more new friends by playing outside or by playing with some children outside. Okay, you can make them friends or you can build a strong friendship also. And what else you can do? If you are playing with a team, then you can build your team spirit कि टीम पूरी एक साथ कैसे खेलती है. टीम जब प्ले करती है तो उस टाइम पे आप किस तरीके से उसको डेवलप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, दैट इज टीम स्पिरिट एंड लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़. ओके, सो वॉट एवर बी द लीडर ऑफ that team, if you are a leader of that team, then you can learn that how to manage a team, how to become a leader, that also you can learn. So it makes us disciplined and keeps our mind alert. So what outdoor games do, or what are all of the games do? That it disciplined you and keeps your mind alert because you are healthy. If you are always having physical exercise and you are meeting some people outside or you are talking some people outside, then you will get knowledge of many of the things going around you. Okay, and you can learn many things from your friends, that how they are living, what they are doing on time, or how they are managing their time. That also you can learn with your friends or with other people. Okay, so playing outside or playing inside, meeting with some people through play is a very important part of your life. Okay, you can learn many things from games. All right, either it is indoor game or outdoor game, you will learn many things from indoor games as well as from outdoor games. Okay, my playmates. Whose playmates? Swami's playmates. Playmates means the friends. Playmates means the friends with which Swami is playing, with whom Swami is playing. they are called playmates. Okay, like your classmates, the students studying with you in same class are called classmates. Similarly, the friends playing with you at the same time, they are called playmates. I play with my friends every evening. So what Swami is saying, I go and play with my friends every evening. My friends come from different backgrounds. They are from different backgrounds. They have different family backgrounds. Backgrounds means that are some different types of backgrounds every person have, that we will talk further. They belong to different religions, speak different and languages, stay in different types of houses and go to different schools. So different background means they have different religions, right? All we have some different religions, like some are Punjabis, some are Brahmins, some are something else. So everyone has different religions, right? And as according to their religions, they speak different languages. Some speak Hindi, some speak English, some speak Punjabi. So according to their real religion, they have different languages. Stay in different types of houses, and they stay in different types of houses. See, our houses are not similar, right? You have your own house the way you want to keep it. I have my own house the way I want to keep it, right? So everyone has different types of houses and go to different schools. So in your friend list also, the your friends around your house, in neighborhood of your house, they are also going in different schools, right? They are not going with you in your school. So everyone has different schools. Maybe some are there who are going with you, but not all of them. Okay, some of my friends are from well-to-do families, whereas some are underprivileged. Okay, he has many friends. So some friends are from well-to-do families. That means some friends are there who are from a good family. That means they have good earnings. उनके घर में सब कुछ well established है, good earnings हैं, and everything they have they want. But some are from underprivileged. That means सबके पास सब कुछ अवेलेबल नहीं होता. अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड मीन्स दे डोंट हैव ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. ओके, दे कैन मैनेज विद द थिंग्स बट दे डोंट हैव ईच एंड एवरी थिंग, एंड दे आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मच ऑफ अर्निंग्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, उनकी अर्निंग्स भी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. और एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि वो मैनेज करते हैं चीज़ों के साथ. ऑल राइट, they are not having each and everything they want. In my neighborhood, all boys and girls play together. Okay, in his neighborhood, all boys and girls play together. All right, they are like a family. They all play together, all boys and girls. My parents and teachers have taught me to treat all my friends equally. So you should treat all your friends equally. You should not see that they are from well-to-do families or underprivileged families, or whether they are boys or girls. You should treat all your friends equally. Okay? You should treat all your friends equally because they are your friends. Okay? So this was about Swami's playmates. Did anyone ever ask you to not play with anyone in particular because she or he was underprivileged, or because she or he came from a family that was different from yours? See what is asked here, that कभी आपसे किसी ने पूछा है कि आपको इस पर्सन के साथ नहीं खेलना है या उस पर्सन के साथ नहीं खेलना है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट लाइक यू, दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम अ वेल टू डू फैमिलीज़, वो अच्छी फैमिली से नहीं है या वो आपकी फैमिली से डिफरेंट है. इज़ देयर एनी वन हु एवर आस्क्ड यू? इफ़ येस, वॉट डिड यू डू देन एंड वाई? अगर हाँ किसी ने आपको ऐसा बोला है, इफ़ येस, देन वॉट यू डिड that you have to write and why you did that. Okay, that you have to write in your notebooks. So for today this is it. hope you all have understood about games, everything about indoor games, about outdoor games, and about Swami's life, and hope you all get relaxed after reading this chapter, because its name is Relax. Okay, so we'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.